Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a complete free course in Adobe Photoshop. This free course is offered by Udemy and there are no prerequisites for taking this course and what you will learn. So you will be learning about graphic design, photo manipulation and retouching, logo design and etc. as you can see on the screen. You can know more about this course by reading in the description and also see if this course is exactly for you or not. If you want to enroll in this course, you can see on the right hand side you have an enroll button. You have to click on that, and also you can see here that it is worth 2500 rupees course, which is absolutely free now. To get your certificate, you have to complete 39 point hours on demand video and also one practice test. You will be having a full lifetime access. So here to enroll in this, first you have to log in into your Udemy account. If you don't have your account, you can just simply create one. Here, as I have already an account in this, after logging in successfully, you can now click on enroll now and it will redirect to this page. Here you have to click again on enroll now, and now you can start taking the course by clicking on start course. Here you just have to answer some simple questions to get started with this course. So this is how the user interface is going to be. You can see all the course content on your right side and the on-demand videos are visible on the screen in this way. You can see important announcements, and if you have any questions regarding this course, you can also post them. You can see your progress here, that how many lessons you have completed from the total one, and you can check out your content here. This was about the Adobe Photoshop free course offered by Udemy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you find this video informative, hit the like button and also share it with your friends to whom this will be useful. Thanks for watching guys. Bye and happy learning.